Hello and welcome to the setup of the RockerTech Sensation 4D massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in one large box. Once you have cut the straps, remove the top of the box and set aside. Remove the packaging materials surrounding the chair and then lift and remove the rest of the box. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, discard the protective coverings and remove the plastic wrapping and plastic guards. This next step will require a partner to help lift the chair. Once your partner has a secure hold at the front of the chair, making sure to use your knees to protect your back, lift the chair up and out of the box. Lower the footrest into its resting position and then remove the accessory bag and tablet mount and set aside. Now let's install the seat cushion. Remove the protective fabric from the Velcro and lower the cushion into place. Zipper the closures on both sides of the seat. To finish installing, line up the Velcro on the chair body with the Velcro on the seat cushion. And then zipper the closure between the seat cushion and the flap on top of the footrest. Be sure to cover both sides of the footrest pivot joints. Next, locate the tablet holder from the accessory bag. Remove the protective cover and place the tablet holder into the tablet holder mount. Screw in clockwise to secure it into place. Now place the tablet remote into the tablet holder. Then tuck away its cord inside the chair. Next, locate the power cord and plug it into the respective port on the back side of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. Now power on the chair by pressing the power button located on the top right-hand corner of the remote tablet. Your chair is now fully assembled. Feel free to take a seat and relax. To start a session, simply power on your remote and select an auto program. Enjoy your RockerTech Sensation 4D massage chair.